Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that every automotive enthusiast and professional mechanic should know about, the GWRENCH Professional Bi-Directional Diagnostic Scan Tool, also known as the GWSMART. We discovered this tool online and have provided a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the GEARWRENCH GWSMART? This is an advanced diagnostic scan tool designed to empower users with OE-level diagnostics directly from their smart devices. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional mechanic, this tool aims to simplify vehicle diagnostics, making it easier to troubleshoot and resolve issues effectively. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this diagnostic tool. One of the most significant features is its full bidirectional control. This means that not only can you read diagnostic trouble codes, but you can also perform live actuation tests. This capability allows you to control various components of the vehicle directly from the tool, making it easier to pinpoint problems in real time. Another major highlight is the fact that it comes with free software updates. That's right, no subscriptions or hidden fees ever. This ensures that your scan tool remains up to date with the latest vehicle protocols and features, allowing you to work with new vehicle models without constantly investing in new software. The GWSMART also supports a wide range of vehicle reset and relearn functions, 23 in total. This includes essential services like throttle matching, ABS bleeding, and TPMS resets. These functionalities are crucial for anyone working with modern vehicles, which often require specific resets during maintenance and repairs. Additionally, the tool features live data mapping and freeze frame capturing. This allows you to monitor real-time data from the vehicle's sensors and capture important snapshots of data when a fault occurs, which is invaluable for diagnosing intermittent issues. Now, who is this tool suitable for? The GEARWRENCH GWSMART is perfect for both professional mechanics and automotive enthusiasts. If you're someone who likes to work on your own car or are involved in automotive repairs, this tool will significantly enhance your diagnostic capabilities. Professionals will appreciate the breadth of functions and the time-saving benefits it offers, allowing for quicker diagnosis and repairs. Let's discuss some practical use cases for this scan tool. Imagine you're a mechanic dealing with a vehicle that has intermittent ABS issues. With the bidirectional control, you can activate the ABS pump directly and monitor its performance in real time, drastically reducing the time it would take to diagnose the problem. Or perhaps you're a DIY enthusiast who has just changed a tire and needs to reset the TPMS. With the GWSMART, this process is straightforward, taking just a few moments to complete, ensuring that your tire pressure monitoring system is functioning correctly. For those who enjoy tuning their vehicles, the live data mapping feature allows you to monitor engine parameters while making adjustments, giving you a clear view of how changes impact performance. In conclusion, the GEARWRENCH Professional Bidirectional Diagnostic Scan Tool is a versatile and powerful tool that brings professional-level diagnostics to your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast looking to take your skills to the next level, this tool has something to offer you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.